Good
Good
morning.
morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Okay.
Good
Happy New
morning,
Year.
sir.
Good morning. Happy New Year
Happy
to
New
all.
Year, sir.
Same to you, sir.
Thank you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. So, how are you all feeling today in the new year?
Fine,
First class.
sir.
Sir, fine.
Sir,
50-50.
So
50
fine.
50. Okay. Ranjit, what happened? Why 50 50? Why not 100 and 0?
Sir, but I don't know, sir. Sir, on the 31st morning it was all okay, but on the first and the second and third it was, I don't know why my friends were not talking to me and all.
Sir, I know. Why is 50-50?
Sorry. Yes. Why? Tell.
No, sir, his friends are not talking to him. I asked like, why you are not talking to him. I don't know the reason. Too.
The friends are not talking.
Nah,
So I don't know why.
Which
They
friends?
said they will.
Friends?
They said they decided on 30 on New Year's Eve that they will not stop. They will stop talking to me. I don't know what now. I play with them
Friends
in the
from
new
this
year.
school or friends from the previous school?
no, sir, in an army
For
camp.
this school.
This school. Alright. Why?
So this station actually, inside the station.
Okay.
And
Really.
Hey, I'm talking to you.
oh,
I'm talking to him.
Rajanandani is talking. Okay.
Uh,
He has not stopped talking.
hmm.
Alright. Okay. Let's start. Okay, don't worry. This is maybe some prank going on.
No, sir, it's not a prank. That I also
that
know.
is not a prank. 3 दिन से जो बात नहीं करे उसको prank नहीं कहते.
Okay. Okay, so don't worry, you make new friends.
Sir, I have.
Everything
Sir,
will
I
be
have many. I have made many.
okay. The board is visible clearly.
Start from 21st
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Um, we are doing the chapter. Sorry, which chapter?
Sir, ratio and
Ratio.
proportion.
And we are on exercise, we are on exercise 8A. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
And we have to start with question number
21.
21.
21.
Have we done the 23rd one?
No, sir.
No, we
Sir,
haven't.
we
No,
have
sir.
done question number 20.
Question 20 we have done. 21st we have to do. Okay. So it's raining in the winter season. Are you liking it or not? Rain in the
No,
winter.
sir.
No.
No, sir. No, sir. Sir, laziness आ जाती है, sir.
I think the cold has the temperature has gone up a bit. Cold has come down.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. This is what I
Sir,
think.
because of rain, the temperature has gained, I think, 4 to 5 degrees.
Okay, the temperature has gone up because of the rain. Okay, let's start then. This is my marker. Yeah. Exercise 8A. Question number 21. So the question is, If x ratio y is equal to 3 ratio 4, find the ratio 3x plus 4y ratio 5x plus 6y. You have to find the value of this. Okay. So this is given x ratio y is equal to 3 ratio 4. If I change this in a fraction, I get x upon y equals to 3 upon 4. Now, from this, so yeah, from this equation, we can say that x is equal to 3y upon 4. We have found the value of x with the help of this equation. Y को I have taken y to RHS. Okay, y को मैं RHS में ले गया. It will go and multiply with 3. So x equals to 3y upon 4. So this is the value of x in terms of y. Now I will use this value to find the value of 3x plus 4 ratio 5x plus 6y. 3x plus 4y ratio 5x plus 6y. Okay, so this ratio I have to find. I can write this again. I can write this as a fraction. So before writing it as a fraction, let me do some. Let me put the value of x here only. So after putting the value of x, you get 3 into. Now what is the value of x? It is 3y plus 3y upon 4. The value of x is 3y upon 4. So I am going to put the value of x here, 3y upon 4, like this, plus 4y ratio. Again, in the second term also, again I will put the value of x. The value of x is, whenever you are putting the values, you always use brackets like I have used here. Whenever I put a value of something, you have to use brackets. So again, the value of x is 3y upon 4. 3y upon 4 plus 6y. Okay. Now we can simplify this. So 3 into 3y upon 4, this becomes 9y upon 4 plus 4y ratio 5 into 3y is 15y upon 4 plus 6y. Now taking the LCM, 9y upon 4 plus 4y. Here the denominator is 1. So when you add them, directly I'm going to write the sum. The LCM will be 4. And when you add, you get 25y upon 4. मैंने directly लिख दिया because इतनी जगह नहीं मेरे पास बोर्ड पर इसलिए. Okay. 25y upon 4 ratio. Here also I will directly add and write the sum. 24 plus 15 is 39 y upon 4. Here also the denominator is 1. So the LCM will be 4 again. Now this is 25y upon 4 ratio 39y upon 4. So 25y upon 4. You can write it as, to write in simplest form, you have to convert this in a fraction. So this means the first term divided by the second term. 39y upon 4. Now, 39.
Multiplication, sir. Denominator will, sir,
Correct.
in numerator and numerator will in denominator.
Yes. 25y upon 4 multiplied by 4 upon 39y. 4 से 4 यहाँ cancel हो जाएगा and y से y cancel हो जाएगा. 25y upon 4 multiplied by 4 upon 39y. 4 से 4 यहाँ cancel हो जाएगा and y से y cancel हो जाएगा. 4 upon 39y. 4 से 4 यहाँ cancel हो जाएगा and y से y cancel हो जाएगा. 4 upon 39y. 4 से 4 यहाँ cancel हो जाएगा and y से y cancel हो जाएगा. 4 upon 39y. 4 से 4 यहाँ cancel हो जाएगा and y से y cancel हो जाएगा. 4 upon 39y. 4 से 4 यहाँ cancel हो जाएगा and y से y cancel हो जाएगा. 4 upon 39y. 4 से 4 यहाँ cancel हो जाएगा and y से y cancel हो जाएगा. 4 upon 39y. 4 से 4 यहाँ cancel हो जाएगा and y से y cancel हो जाएगा. 4 upon 39y. 4 से 4 यहाँ cancel हो जाएगा and y से y cancel हो जाएगा. 4 upon 39y. 4 से 4 यहाँ cancel हो जाएगा and y से y cancel हो जाएगा. 4 upon 39y. 4 से 4 यहाँ cancel हो जाएगा and y से So you get 25 multiplied by 1 upon 39. So you get 25 upon 39. Now when you write this in ratio, you will get 25 ratio 39. This is the answer.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Done? All of you?
Sir, please wait for a minute.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Done.
Sir, done.
Okay.
Sir, done.
Okay.
Sir, done.
Sir, next question.
Yes. So 22nd is homework. It is of the same type. We will now do the 23rd one. 23rd is very easy. Two numbers are in the ratio 5:7. If the sum of the numbers is 720, find the numbers. Very easy question. Because of the temperature. What is the temperature today? Right now?
Sir, 16 degree.
16 degree.
Sir, 15 degrees, sir.
15 or 16, somewhere there only.
Sir, it is
14
cloudy today.
14.
Sir, it is cloudy.
Cloudy, yes. Question 23. Two numbers are in the ratio 5:7. So let the numbers be 5x and 7x. Let the numbers be 5x and 7x. Let us assume that these are the numbers because the ratio is 5:7. So हमने numbers मान लिए 5x and 7x. Okay. Now the sum of the two numbers is given 720. So very easy equation. 5x plus 7x. Sum of the two numbers is 720. I think this is the easiest question from the whole chapter. वैसे तो बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन मतलब this is it is given in the last
Very
few
easy,
topics.
sir.
It is a very
Sir, in my whole life, this question is very easy.
yes. X equals to 720 upon 12. वैभव को ये एडिशन से भी ज्यादा इजी लगता है मालूम है?
Yes, sir.
720 upon 12, 60. So this is the value of x. Now the two numbers. First number 5x. So 5 into 60, 300. And second number
420.
7x. That means 420. Answer. Clear?
Sir, done.
24th. Question number 24. Have you all done this?
Yes, sir.
Wait for a minute.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir, done.
Okay.
Sir, done.
Okay.
Sir, after this chapter, which chapter we will be starting?
Beta, we will start. Oh, yes. हाँ जी, उर्वशी बताइए.
After this chapter, we will start revision for UT3.
We will start the chapter congruency of triangles.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Twenty-four. Which ratio is greater? So you just have to compare the ratios and give the answer. First one is 5:6 or 7:9. 5:6 or 7:9. Which one is greater? So first of all, change the two ratios in fractions, 5/6 and the second one 7/9. Now you find the LCM of 6 and 9. दोनों जगह denominators देखिए क्या है? What is the denominator? Here it is 6 and in the second one it is 9. LCM of 6 and 9 is 18. Okay. So what I will do? I will make the denominators same in both the fractions by multiplying the first fraction by 3/3. Sorry. 5 upon 6 multiplied by 3 upon 3. If I multiply this by 3 upon 3, the denominator will become 18. Similarly, in the second,
Is greater.
similarly in the second one, if you multiply it by 2 upon 2, again the denominator will become 18, but the numerator will become 14. Now in the two fractions, you can see that the denominators are same, so you just have to compare the numerators. Numerator compare करके हम आंसर बता सकते हैं.
Sir, 5 upon 6 is greater than
Numerator is
7
greater
upon 9, sir.
than 5 ratio 6. Five ratio 6 is greater than 7 ratio 9. This is the answer. Okay.
Sir, can we do second one?
Yes, do the second part now, all of you.
Sir, can I tell the answer of the second part?
Yes. Tell me the answer.
Sir, it is 2:3 is greater.
Correct. Correct answer.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, I should tell the answer of third one.
Yes. Tell the answer of the third one.
Sir, 4:7 is greater than 1:2.
4:7 is greater than 1:2. Correct answer. Very good.
Sir, I think that we should move to the next exercise.
Yes. Now all of you start doing the 25th one. Do the first part of 25th. Arrange the following ratios in ascending order. Again, the concept will remain the same. You will find the LCM of the denominators in each case and then compare the ratios. Arrange them in ascending order. Do the first part only, okay?
Sir, done.
Okay.
Sir, can I tell the answer?
Yes.
Sir, the smallest is 11 is to 18, then 5 is to 6, then 8 is to 9.
Sir, done.
Correct answer. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so have you all done it now?
Sir, can I tell the answer
Yes,
of second one?
sir, done.
Sir, can I tell the answer of second one?
Yes.
Sir, 2:3 is the smallest, then 5:7, then 11:14, then 7:21.
Correct. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, now all of you, what you all have to do. So you all need to open page number 125 in your book. Page number 125. There you can. Sorry.
We are on the page 125
Yes.
only.
Yes. In that page only, page number 125, 125 page number. In that page, you can see at the bottom the topic, the name of the topic is written proportion. Okay, so you have to note down all of this in your notebook. All these
Yes, sir.
points, some points are written in the book. So all these points are to be written in the notebook. Okay, start writing them. This one and in the next page also at the top, second point, that also you have to note down. Okay, so note down in the notebooks.
Okay, sir.